To insert an image into a Google slide, what we do is click on Insert Image, and we've got some options here. I'm going to upload from the computer. I'm going to upload this picture of New Zealand, the North Island here, and that's one image that I can insert. Let's just scale it slightly and just put that over there. Let's do another. Let's insert image, search the web. I'm going to click on this and insert that, and then we can come to insert image from Drive. I'm going to insert this one, and so now our images, we've got 3 different ways of inserting images into our documents.